The High Court of the Gambia, presided by a trial judge on Monday, had a case between the University of the Gambia administration and the Attorney General versus the Faculty Staff Association. Osman Jatta followed the proceedings at the High Court annexed in Bakom Mile 7, and he now tells us more in this report.
The hearing comes following an injunction ordering the university's Faculty Staff Association to cancel its planned sit-down strike. Presenting his arguments, the counsel for the respondents says that the court lacks jurisdiction to entertain the hearing from proceeding to the next stage with this statement. I wish to withdraw the attention of the court to Order 4, Rule 6 of the High Court Rules, which makes it mandatory for a civil case to be heard during vacation. An intending party shall apply by summon to the judge, stating that this is the first fundamental step that needs to be complied with. Counsel Fati reminds the court that the case contains an expert motion which is contrary to Rule 6. According to the counsel for the respondent, the suit does not have any proper footings to proceed. Counsel Fati equally reminded the High Court to the originating summons filed by the applicant on the 14th of September 2021. Responding to the submissions for the originating summons by the respondent's counsel, the state counsel states that the originating summons is contrary and to Order 26 and 4 of the rules of the High Court. Submitting his arguments on the Labour Act, the respondent's counsel says the Labour Act does not apply to the civil service, citing reference from Section 2 of the Labour Act, which according to Counsel Fati defines the public service, and it reads, it provides the entire body of employees, and it reads, it provides the entire body of employees directly employed by the government. Reacting to this argument, the State Council says, in respect to the second argument on the applicability of the Labour Act, we state that there is no civil servant mentioned on the face of our originating summons, adding, the two are mutually exclusive, where all civil servants are public servants, but not all public servants are civil servants. On the issue of jurisdiction, the respondent's counsel submits that the applicant failed to properly invoke the jurisdiction of this matter during vacation, which is a civil case, adding the processes are not the right process to invite this court to preside over. The court hearing is adjourned till Wednesday, 22nd of September 2021 for rulings on the preliminary objection. Meanwhile, Lamin J. Double, counsel representing the Faculty Staff Association of the University of the Gambia, speaks to iAfrica TV after the hearing. He outlines the role of the Attorney General in the lawsuit filed by the UTG management.
But the Attorney General's Chamber's situation is just more formal. If you are in confrontation with a government department, obviously it is the Attorney General's Chambers that represents the government. So they have no particular interest in the matter. They are just prosecuting the matter on behalf of the University of the Gambia as an agency, part of the public substructures of the country.
The Faculty Staff Association released a statement reminding its executives to respect their sit-down strike. The release states, their staff are citizens of this country. We reiterate our fundamental right not to be forced to work, and this is our right protected by our Constitution. We therefore ask our members to stay home as earlier communicated until our demands are met. Osman Jatta, iAfrica News.